They were great tools to do their specific tasks, like store a contract or create a PO or pay an invoice or whatever. But procurement does so much more than those tactical things. And I wanted to find some way we could put all these tasks together in a workflow tool, bringing the process and the data together so that you could basically have a focal point for where all the procurement activity is done, where all the data is stored and managed.
We're really looking at the whole of procurement and changing the way that people think about procurement. And getting rid of those Excel spreadsheets and emails and actually starting to work in the system and enabling the procurement teams to do their job in a much more strategic way, as well as the transactional elements that are necessary to the day-to-day.
When we started with Focal Point was a platform to have procurement manage their projects. As we kept getting more and more customers onto the platform, we got lots more demands of saying, oh, sure, it would be nice if we could bring supplier data in or risk data in or third-party data in from Rapid Ratings or D&B or whatever have you, right? So we kept sort of meeting the demands of organizations to say, sure, it would be nice to have all the data in one spot. And so that's now continued to sort of grow, and that's become one of the governing factors of our organization is we need to bring the data together as well. So it's really has been a growth journey from a product perspective. Like we are continuing to heavily develop the solution, which is again fairly unique in the startup world where people find a small niche and scale the heck out of it. We're going to scale the heck out of the solution, but we're still sort of building the foundational pieces the way we see procurement fitting in. So as you can imagine, we're building a very broad and deep product suite.
We focus on the data. So the data is all brought together from different systems, disparate systems, whether internal or external systems. It gives you a single source of truth. And from that, we can develop our solution for the procurement professionals to actually be able to do the whole of their job in one place. And that's absolutely the focus of Focal Point.
We're not a one-trick pony. We're building a solution that can fit all of procurement.